Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English.
Hey, I'm Henry. Thanks for being here with us.
Today we're talking about eating out with a friend.
Yeah, from meeting up to leaving the restaurant.
This is a very real situation.
Especially if you're new here in North America.
Eating with friends sounds easy.
But sometimes the English part feels a bit stressful.
I remember my first time eating out with a friend here.
Me too. I didn't want to sound strange.
I kept thinking about what to say.
And when to say it.
But the truth is,
You don't need perfect English.
you just need simple words.
And a relaxed attitude.
In this episode,
We'll walk through a full meal together.
we'll meet outside the restaurant,
Walk in together.
look at the menu,
Order food.
eat,
Pay.
and leave like normal friends.
Nothing fancy.
We'll use easy English.
The kind people really use.
If you're learning English,
This is for you.
okay,
Let's get started.
imagine this.
You're meeting a friend for dinner.
You're standing outside the restaurant now.
And you're about to say hi. Okay, we just arrived outside the restaurant. Take a second and look around with us.
Yeah, I see people going in and out.
I will be your friend today.
And I will be your friend too.
Okay, here we go. Hey,
Hey,
sorry I'm a bit late.
it's okay. I just got here.
Have you been waiting long?
Not really.
This place looks nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Have you eaten here before?
No, this is my first time.
Same here.
Okay, so we're both new.
Should we go in now?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so that was a full example of meeting a friend outside a restaurant.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
Sorry I'm a bit late. That's a very common thing to say.
You can also say, I just got here.
Have you eaten here before? That's an easy question.
And if you're not sure, you can say, this is my first time. Okay, we just walked into the restaurant. Take a second and look around with us.
Yeah, it feels a bit busy inside.
I will be the restaurant staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, here we go. Hi there.
Hi.
Table for two?
Yes, just two.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
No problem.
Okay,
Please wait a moment.
sure.
All right, follow me please.
Okay,
Here's your table.
thank you.
Menus are on the table.
Great.
Your server will be with you soon.
Okay, that was easier than I thought.
Yeah, very smooth.
Okay, that's how this usually goes.
Let's pause here and look at a few lines we used.
Table for two. That's a simple way to start.
You can also say, we're two people.
Do you have a reservation? People ask this a lot.
And if you don't, you can say, no, we don't. Okay, we just sat down at the table. Take a second and look at the menu with us.
Yeah, there are a lot of choices.
I will be your friend.
And I will be your friend too.
Okay, here we go.
Wow, the menu is bigger than I expected.
Yeah, there are many options.
I'm not sure what to order.
That's normal.
What are you thinking about getting?
I'm looking at the pasta.
This picture looks good.
Yeah, that one looks popular.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, not too much.
I don't want anything too heavy.
Then maybe something light?
This one says chicken salad.
That sounds safe.
I always read the pictures first.
Me too.
Sometimes the words are hard.
Yeah, pictures help.
I think I found something.
Nice.
Okay, that's usually how friends look at the menu together.
Let's take a moment and go over a few things we said.
I'm not sure what to order. People say this a lot.
You can also say, I'm still looking.
That one looks good. This is very common.
And if you want something simple, you can say, that sounds good. Okay, we're still looking at the menu. Take a second and think with us.
Yeah, I'm almost ready.
What are you thinking about now?
I like the chicken salad.
That sounds light.
Yeah, I don't want anything too heavy.
I'm between the pasta and the burger.
The pasta looks good.
Do you think it's big?
I'm not sure.
Sometimes the portions are large here.
Yeah, that's true.
We can always share a big.
Good idea.
Are you ready to order?
Almost.
I'm ready now.
Okay, me too.
I'll get the pasta.
And I'll get the chicken salad.
Do you want a drink?
Just water is fine.
Same here.
Okay.
I feel good about this.
Yeah, me too.
All right, that's usually how friends decide what to order.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I'm ready now. That's a simple way to say you're ready.
You can also say, I think I'm ready.
I'll get the pasta. People say this a lot.
And you can change the food name to anything you want.
Okay, the server is here now. I will be the server.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, here we go. Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes.
Great.
I'll have the chicken salad, please.
Okay.
And I'll have the pasta.
Would you like soup or salad with that?
Salad, please.
And for you?
Just the pasta is fine.
Any drinks today?
Just water, please.
Water for both?
Yes.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, I'll put that in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks. All right, that's a normal way to order food here.
Let's take a moment and look at what we just said. I'll have the chicken salad, please. People say this a lot.
You can change the food name to anything you want.
Just water, please. This is very common.
You can also say, water is fine.
Okay, we're waiting for the food now. I will still be the server.
And I'm the customer.
Okay, here we go. Here you go.
Thank you.
Chicken salad
That looks good.
and the pasta.
Nice.
Can I get you anything else?
No, we're good, thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This is usually how food arrives.
Let's take a moment and look at what we just said. Here you go. People say this a lot.
You can also hear, enjoy your meal.
Can I get you anything else? This is very common.
You can say, no, we're good.
Okay, you're finished eating now. Let's take care of the bill. I will be the server.
And I'm the customer.
Okay, here we go. How was everything?
It was good, thank you.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
I'll bring it right over.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Take your time.
Okay.
Are you paying together or separate?
Together, please.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
All right.
Okay.
Please sign here.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks. That's usually how paying works here.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said. Would you like the bill? People ask this a lot.
You can also hear, can I get the bill?
Card or cash? This is very common.
You can answer with one word.
Okay, we're all done here. Let's head out.
Yeah, that was nice.
Thanks again.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too. That's usually how you leave a restaurant.
Now let's review a few useful lines together.
I'll have the chicken salad, please.
I'll have the chicken salad, please. I'll have the chicken salad, please.
Just water, please.
Just water, please. Just water, please.
Can we get the bill, please?
Can we get the bill, please? Can we get the bill, please?
Now it's your turn.
Say 3 to 5 sentences about eating out with a friend.
You can start with, last time I ate out with a friend.
Or, when I go to a restaurant.
Say it out loud.
Or write it down.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.